And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the table tag. I'm not going to go over all of the details of creating tables. I've got a specific video about that in my playlist, so check it out if you're interested. Let's only talk about the table tag, which is basically a simple container element for tables. If I just create it like this, nothing is going to be visible in the browser window. We need information inside of it, and for example the table rows and the table data, they will be nested inside of the table. Let me just create a simple example from scratch. Still nothing is visible for as long as we haven't given it any content. Now we have. Let me add a second table data and make it about month and day. So this is now our first table row, and it contains 2 table data elements. And if I copy this and paste it below, it's still inside of the table tags, and it's going to be our second table row. Let me change the date to Monday, and you can now see this is organized like a simple table. By default it doesn't have any borders or anything. Let me add that. I'll just quickly set up a style element right here in the head. I select my table. I use the border property, and I set its value to 1 pixel, solid, and make it black. And now you can see what the table actually is. So it is the container for all of the information inside. Table rows, let me add that. You won't see a difference, but if I add the table data as a selector as well, you can now see that all of these were given a border. And if I want to make these neighbored cells share a border, I'll just set the border collapse property to collapse. And this is usually what you want to have as a basic table. So as I've said, if you're interested in tables, you can find a longer video about that in my playlist. But these are the basics of using the table tag specifically. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.